Hey everyone, how's it going? So this weekend I decided to work on a chat AI application, and the idea is that you can see on the design page I'm able to configure this chatbot. All of this was built on Bubble, and I'm able to configure. I built like a backend application where I'm able to configure how I want this chatbot to function. You have the copy, you have all of this information, the name, can change the color, all of that, and you're able to see like a display functionality. You're also able to see whether you want it to pop up or not, and you're also able to save like an audio file. Once I do that, I save this and install this on my website, under the header with HTML, and I paste it on the website I want to use. And another very important thing is that this chatbot it asks the user for like you know um, phone number, email address, things like that. You can ask for other information. For example, I'm just going to remove this phone number. I'm going to add like mailing address, and it also sends like a lead magnet after asking these questions. These are my frequently asked questions. So I'm basically using these frequently asked questions to train the AI to respond basically to, um, like basically, so if anybody asks any question like, what are your services? It tells them these services. It doesn't go ahead and start sending them different services that do not align with my organization. So, like, this is like an example of a chatbot. I'm just going to go ahead and paste it on another page. Let me paste it here. And I will just paste this. I will go ahead and try and chat with my AI. So let's say, for example, this is your website and you have this welcome, blah, 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 and you just click here to chat, so here it tells you the basic information which you will see first, like welcome, feel free to chat with us. So I'm like, so for example, so I just want to ask you the question like, what are, um, I'd like to learn more about your services. And then more services. So it sends that question over. There's like this, basic read, and then so then of course it responds, and it gives you like that, that message that was configured. So certainly we offer a range of services to help local businesses and scale and achieve information to offer good capabilities. So these are all based on what I have trained the AI to respond to. If I go back to my application based on my frequently asked questions, I use these frequently asked questions to train the AI on what I want it to respond based on the questions that people are asking. So, for example, if I ask a question like, um, "How can I scale my business?" Like, okay, I'd like to scale my business. So you see, it's asking me for my name. What's your name and phone number? So I'm just going to say, my name is. No, let me just call it. My name is Friday Done. My number is 0811 770 8880. Okay, then I'd like to know. So I asked another question. I'd like to scale my business, right? So it does this, like loading. It's just like an animation that's going on, basically loading, and once it gives you that response, right? And so you see, it says, "Hi, Friday, John. Thank you for reaching out. I'm glad that you want to scale your business. Scaling your business can be exciting and all of that." So it gives you the answer, and it gives you like all these questions, basically. So the beautiful thing is, if I were to go back to this application, which I built on Bubble, and I went back and I checked my leads, and I were to check my conversations, first of all, I would see Friday John. So if you see, automatically I'm able to see Friday John. I'm able to see the conversations. I'm able to save Friday John as a lead, and I am able to capture that person and send them to my lead magnet. So this is just a simple but complex application built with Bubble, ChatGPT AI, and all of the functionalities.